common grass frog. Get close to them. You can almost touch them. If you are slowly, you can touch them. But the thing is, once they are disturbed, they jump away, and then they're hard to get again back. Hey, Wouter here. Today in a nice sunny spring weather in the Netherlands. It's a good moment today for the brown frogs, the common grass frog, Rana temporaria. There's wind, it's cold wind, and at those moments it's very difficult to approach them because they don't like the cold. They like the warm water, but so they look for places that are sheltered from the wind, and I don't hear them. They might be on a few meters. The water is very cold, so that means they are very difficult to approach. So what happens with nature photographers? They get very frustrated with these species because you have to know where they are, of course, in the first place. But there's only a few days that they are really easy. But then still, if you disturb them, then they leave and you don't get the same picture. You have to approach them slower than a heron. Okay, I move very slowly through the reed and I can see like 4 or 5 meters in front of me. I see shining through the reed a whole area where they put the eggs. Of course, when all of a sudden you have something itchy, they'll move very fast. You can maybe hear them already, but it's not massive today. Oh yeah, I see one in front of me hanging in the water. Oh, falling down almost. Oh. I see one in front of me, do you see it? 2. In between the reed. There's one. And there's another one. For example, in the Netherlands, I think it will be possible to see them during about 1 month, because the south of the Netherlands is warmer, so they start earlier in the year than in the north normally. There's a few days of difference. But when you have the coastal areas, they can be much colder. Also in Denmark, they are much colder. So you can have weeks of difference between 50 kilometers. So like that, it's possible to see them during a much longer period. So if you want to make nice pictures, then keep your eyes open and try to catch them early spring somewhere in the south. And then you have 2-3 weeks to follow them up north. So this is the common grass frog. Yeah, so you can get close to them. You can almost touch them. If you are slowly, you can touch them. But the thing is, once they are disturbed, they jump away and then they're hard to get again back. Okay, and I see another one next to me. They're not calling now, so maybe if I wait a little bit, or maybe I can even stimulate them. So on a cold windy day, they're sheltered in the reed. They can have the warm sun there. Oh, you saw I moved the reed with my hand a bit too fast, so he goes away. Yeah, but you got the idea. Okay, enjoy the spring.